Hello students, let us write the worksheet answers of lesson number 8 Birds, Science. Question 1 Objective type questions. A. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Number 1. Birds like dash suck nectar from flowers. Sunbird or pigeon? Answer is sunbird. Number 2. Birds usually have dash feet, dash toes on each. Answer is 2 feet, 4 toes. Number 3. Water birds have dash that help them to push water while swimming. Answer is webbed feet. Number 4. Wings are joined to the bird's body with the help of dash. Answer is muscles. Number 5. Birds do not have dash. They eat food with the help of their dash. So answer is teeth and beak. B. Write T for true and F for false statement. Number 1. All birds have same kind of beak. Answer is false. Number 2. A bird uses its toe to catch and hold food. Answer is true. Number 3. Birds fly with full downstroke of their wings. False. Number 4. Pigeons have talons. False. Number 5. Penguin nest is made up of stones. True. Question C. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Which of these feathers help to keep a bird warm? A. Body feathers. B. Down feathers. C. Flight feathers. D. None of these. Answer is B. Down feathers. Number 2. Why do some birds have a sharp and hooked beak? A. To tear flesh. B. To pull out insects from hole. C. To crack open nuts and fruits. D. To suck nectar from flowers. Answer is A. To tear flesh. Number 3. Which of these is true about goose? A. Broad and flat beak. B. Webbed feet. C. Holes in beak. D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Number 4. Which of these birds collect stones and pebbles to make their nest on the ground? A. Woodpecker. B. Crane. C. Penguin. D. Sparrow. Answer is C. Penguin. Number 5. Which bird uses its beak to look for food inside tree holes? A. Hoopoe. B. Crane. C. Pigeon. D. Heron. Answer is A. Hoopoe. Number 6. Which of these birds uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves together to build a nest? A. Weaver bird. B. Tailor bird. C. Woodpecker. D. Crane. Answer is B. Tailor bird. Number 7. Name the bird that its front toes are joined by skin. A. Duck. B. Pigeon. C. Sparrow. D. Eagle. Answer is A. Duck. Number 8. Name the bird that collects stones and pebbles to make its nest. A. Eagle. B. Vulture. C. Penguin. D. Tailor bird. Answer is C. Penguin. Question 2. Very short answer type questions. Give 2 examples for the following. Number 1. Birds with strong, sharp and hard beaks. Answer is sparrow, pigeon. Number 2. Birds with strong pointed beaks. Answer is hoopoe woodpecker. Number 3. Birds with webbed feet. Answer is duck heron. Number 4. Birds with talons. Answer is eagle, vulture. Number 5. Things that birds use to make nests. Answer is leaves, twigs. So our worksheet ends here. Thank you.